In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the SureCart cart or shopping bag icon into your header or navigation area so that when your customers click on it, they can see a beautiful slide out cart, see what's inside their cart, and proceed directly to checkout. To get started, we're going to come into our SureCart settings. We're going into the design and branding section, and we're going to scroll down and find the cart options and make sure that we enable the cart. The other options here don't matter because these are more applicable to a theme that needs to reference these, something like an Astra Spectra theme or something like that. In Thrive Theme Builder, we're going to simply use a short code to add the icon into our navigation. Next, you need to go to your header, whether this is inside of a template or inside of a landing page header. We simply need to be able to edit the header. In this example, I have a very simple clean header where I have a logo, a navigation, a little profile icon that I would recommend linking to your customer dashboard account management section. And I've left a little bit of space here in an additional column for us to add some text. What I'm going to do is open up the element tray, take a text element, and then drag it and drop it inside. Next, I'm going to paste in the short code for the cart icon. And here you can see I've pasted it in, and don't worry, I'll include this in the description of the video. Here under the icon, cart icon section, inside of these quotation marks, you see shopping bag. This can be changed from bag to cart depending on which icon you want to see. And then you can choose whether you want it to always show or only show when something's in the cart by putting a 1 for always show or a 0 for not. Once you have it inside, click done and save. And then here we go. The icon is right here for our shopping bag. And when we click on it, our SureCart cart slides out cleanly, and you can see what's inside of the cart and proceed to checkout. Now, if you want to edit the color of the icon, interestingly, it's going to inherit the color of your text link color, and you can come into the typography sections of Thrive Theme Builder and find your currently active typography, click the edit option, and once that loads, you want to scroll down and you want to find the hyperlink text where it says this is a hyperlink. These settings apply to all links unless you edit a specific one. This is the one that I have found edits the color of the cart most effectively. I've tried using this is a hyperlink in headings. This doesn't seem to work at all. Obviously, I think that's because that's more like an H1, H2, but you might try these other ones and see if that affects anything. But again, the normal hyperlink color here is what I found to be most effective. If you want to change it from a shopping bag to a shopping cart, all you need to do is change the word bag here in the shortcode, change it to cart, and then save it. And then you can see it turns into a cart icon. Since you can put this shortcode anywhere, you can technically place the SureCart cart icon anywhere on your Thrive Theme Builder or Thrive Architect site by simply adding that text element anywhere that you want, including anywhere on a page, perhaps a silo page that you've built for products in a product listing page, which I also have a video about here on my channel.